The key's stuck. Can't get the key out of the ignition. Alright, this is a 2012 Sonata. And I see this common is that the key's stuck. Can't get the key out of the ignition. You can start the car, turn the car off, but it won't come out. So what the problem is the shifter here. So first we're going to turn it on. We're going to put it in neutral. That's just going to make it easier because we're going to pull this off. So you're going to take some force and just pull it off. And then now put it back in park. Just push this down, put it back in park, and your key comes out. So to fix the problem is to get a new shifter knob. The plastic or whatever's pushing down in there isn't fully releasing, so this is staying down just enough to lock the key in there and not pull the key out. So you just replace the knob and you put it back on. You just hit it down like that. Push these, I'm just going to push this stuff back into its place and you'll be good to go once you get a new knob. So that is the issue there. If you want to get it out and deal with it later, just pull out. It does take some force to pull out. It's easier with two hands. And I only put it in neutral or drive so you get a better angle to pull. Whoa. So hopefully that helps somebody with a stuck key. And I don't know if you're in a parking lot and you're like, crap, I need to go in the store, my key is stuck. That can be a real pain because you're not going to leave your key in the car. So pull the shift knob off, put it in park, take your key out, and then you'll be able to order one or fix it later, but you'll know how to do it. So hopefully this was helpful and saved somebody.